only type on this. Okay, so if we're looking at this and we want to prove that it follows the Pythagorean theorem. So first things first, I need to figure out what are the different lengths. I know these are squares, so I'm going to start with the small square. If we look at that one, how many units is that small square? What's the length of this green one? What does that equal to? It's equal to 9. Okay. And if I look at this purple one, or not purple, blue, I know my colors, I promise. How long is that side? Okay, I can't see the chat. So can you unmute yourself to tell me? Thank you. So this is 12. All right. And if I look at the orange side, what is the length here? Whoops. Just pretend that's on the line. How many squares is that one?
$15.
Thank you. Okay, so we know that this is 15. Now, if I'm trying to prove the Pythagorean theorem, okay, let me write it over here. I'm trying to prove this. Well, this is like a lot harder to write on a screen. It would be so much faster on a whiteboard. I'm trying to prove that the two legs, or a squared plus b squared, equals the hypotenuse squared, so c squared. So I'm trying to get to that very end and prove this. Now, if we look at this, I'm going to start with a squared. So I have 9. Now, I need to take that number and I'm going to square it. Okay? Then I'm going to take the second number, whoops, not b, but 12 squared, and see if it equals c squared, 15 squared. So let's solve this out and see if it works. Now, if I have 9 squared, that's the same as 9 times 9. And then I have 12 squared, which is the same as 12 times 12. That little dot means multiplication, by the way. And then I have 15 squared, which is the same as 15 times 15. Now, if this is true, if I can prove it, it should equal it. So 9 times 9 is 81. And 12 times 12, notice that I'm doing the multiplication first before I add 9 and 12. Okay, so your order of operations says 9 times 9, you do that first, and 12 times 12. Okay, so with 12 times 12, that's equal to 144. And 15 times 15 equals 225. I did that in my head. Did I do that right? I think I did. All right, so 81 plus 144. Does that equal 225? Yes or no? You can use a calculator if you wish. What do you think? Students, what do you think? Does it work? What's 4 plus 1?
5.
Okay, 4 plus 1. Yeah, so 4 plus 1 is 5. And then if I have 14 plus 8, that's equal to 22. So it does work. All right. So if we're looking at this, 9 squared plus 12 squared equals 15 squared. So that proves that this does follow the Pythagorean theorem. Okay?